Hey everyone, I know it's been a while since I've done a video. Sorry to all of you who have been waiting for videos. I know I've had a lot of people message me through Instagram kind of wondering what's going on, when I was going to have some new videos. So for those of you who don't follow me on Instagram, first of all, you should go check me out, mass_hardscaper. But those of you who follow me on Instagram have seen this and have asked for a video. Those of you who haven't, here is our new pickup truck. So this is kind of been on my list to replace the 1500, the truck that I pretty much started my company with. It's just time to get rid of it, and we could use a bigger truck, something that we can tow equipment with. So I was looking at 2500s and 3500s, and kind of more hoping for a 1-ton, just a pickup truck. I don't really have a use for a 1-ton dump, but so ended up finding a really good deal on this truck. I actually went to the dealership to look at the same one, but a 3500, and they had just sold it. So ended up buying this one. So it's a 2018 Silverado 2500. I honestly have only driven it once. The guys have been driving it. We've probably had it for a couple weeks now, and they absolutely love it. But I am actually going to take it home with me today. Got to bring home a couple things, so going to take this truck. So super excited to have this. Just start updating the fleet. Now our trucks will actually be the same color. Gonna get this lettered very soon, I think this coming week. So I'll show you our design for this truck, what it's gonna look like. Super excited to get our branding kind of all together and on the same page. So yeah, very excited about this truck. Show you guys. So right now it just has the regular mirrors. They are heated power mirrors, but we're going to change them out for tow mirrors, just because we will be towing with this truck, and it'll also be plowing, which I'll show you guys. So truck's already a mess from the guys. Gonna have to talk to them about that and get them to clean it up. But so it's got the convenience package. So it is just a work truck, but it has the convenience package. So I think that comes with it's all power. So power locks, power windows. Actually has a chrome bumper, unlike the just the black plastic ones. So not electric seats, but don't need that. So got our trailer brake controller, lights down there. Basically the same setup for anyone who has a GM. Sorry, the steering wheel's kind of in a weird position, but got our little information screen there. So heat, AC, all that good stuff. It's got bed lights, which is pretty cool. My personal truck has that, but for a work truck, I was surprised to see that. So it's got the smaller screen, but it's nice. Has the radio, Bluetooth. You can see we actually have Wi-Fi right now, which is just a limited time offer, but it's a pretty cool feature. So it has a backup camera, which is great for backing up to the trailer, as well as when guys are just moving around. So 4-wheel drive, shifter on the floor. So pretty excited about this. So I know I had a lot of people ask me about kind of plans for this truck. So obviously going to get it lettered next week. Probably going to throw on a back rack, probably a mini light bar, because we will be plowing with it. So you can see it already has plow mounts. So came with this plow. I was hoping for a stainless V plow, but this isn't really, plowing's not really our thing, so I wasn't too concerned. We just sub for another company. So just an 8-foot straight blade. Be plenty good for what we're going to use it for. So I'll have one guy plowing in this and one guy in our skid steer, hopefully on the same site. So hopefully putting a transfer tank in the back. I have this, I think it's a 100-gallon transfer tank, but I'm looking for something smaller, maybe like a 35, so it doesn't take up too much room. So if anybody has a new or almost new 35-gallon tank and would like to trade, let me know. This one's brand new, was in a truck like for a month maybe, only had a tank or two go through it, and my landlord gave this to me. So yeah, that's pretty much in terms of what we're going to do with this truck. Nothing crazy. So for all of you who are asking about future purchases and you know, what's next, just kind of talk a little bit about that. So I know I've said it before, but my next purchase will definitely be a track skid steer. So a compact track loader. So not planning on doing that until our 262 is paid off, which isn't for, I think, a little under 2 years now. May pay that off early, but we'll see. I'm not really planning on doing anything else major until then. Possibly another dump truck at some point, but we'll see how things go. So at least for this year, we're definitely done, and probably next year won't do anything too major either. But be sure to keep you guys updated. But there she is. So once again, as usual, if you guys have any suggestions of videos you want to see, please let me know, because that's part of the issue. I haven't made so many videos is just because I'm not sure what you guys want to see. So please let me know what you want to see, and I'll try to get back into doing some more videos now that the season's slowing down, and hopefully get back into things a little bit. So thanks for watching, guys.